Let's be honest. Secretly, deep inside, you still have questions about God that you are not able to answer through the Bible because we have not been exposed to the true understanding of the Bible. And therefore we get the knowledge, but not the understanding because we have lost the connections to the ancients, who actually walked the path that you are reading about. This informational series called The Reprogram takes you on that journey. Let's ask a couple of questions to get started. Who is God? Where does God dwell? How does God work? Unfortunately, what society has told you is incorrect in terms of how you should envision God. You may reply with the question, what does this mean? So here is an example. Participation in this brief exercise is crucial to understanding how this spiritual and scientific content will open and enhance the mind. Please participate for just 15 seconds. Okay. Close your eyes for 5 seconds and draw a picture of a heart in your mind. I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to give 5 more seconds for those who didn't do it originally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Open your eyes. I am positive that almost all of you thought of a heart that looks like this, am I correct? But in fact, a heart looks more like this, or even this. Remember, a heart must have valves in order to pump blood. You have been programmed to picture a heart the way that you do. What your brain pictures is not a heart but a symbol of a heart that was placed in your mind by society. In actuality, the same has happened to you when it comes to God. The science of God is informational content that you have been programmed to ignore and given a misunderstanding about, just as you were the symbol of a heart. Programs are placed in the mind to uphold society, but may not always suit the individual searching for the higher power. This content allows you to have a higher connection with God than you ever have, because you will understand how to functionally operate with the higher power. In turn, this allows your life to be more peaceful and abundant. We are all tired of the struggle and hardship with life, but we are only struggling due to the inability to understand the highest source of power and its infiniteness. Let's go on a mission with Mika L. Nasi, author of the groundbreaking Science of God in the Bible, to see what the ancients knew that can help solve many of our problems today. Many of the principles and science of the ancients are hidden within the words that we call Bible scriptures. What do the scriptures say according to modern science? As a matter of fact, what is science? Great question. Science is the systematic study of the physical and spiritual world through observation and experimentation. The physical world means what we call matter, the natural world, and what we experience from a three-dimensional perspective called the five senses, or the seeing. The spiritual world deals with energy. For instance, electromagnetic energy, and energies that cannot be detected by the five senses, or what we call the unseen. The science of God reveals both the seen and unseen knowledge, wisdom, and understanding of God. The most important part of knowing God is understanding God. Understanding means going through a situation and now being able to know it from a higher perspective. Understanding God means being one with God and becoming your higher self to see above the misunderstandings that you were given. This takes knowledge and understanding that was previously hidden or unexposed to the masses. Coming January 2025 to YouTube is the mini informational series called The Reprogram. The Reprogram will enlighten both your mind and spirit, as well as answer many of the questions that you have regarding God, science, your inner self, the Bible, and the laws of the universe. On behalf of Mika L. Nasi and Knowledge Quest Publishing, we appreciate your time and can't wait to travel this journey with you. God bless.